This is Reisetomate, which is a German word because it's a German type of heirloom indeterminate tomato. And it grows like it's a bunch of little cherry tomatoes all stuck together, or like it has lots of different modules. And it's used kind of, or could be used, as a tomato that you don't have to cut. You can tear off a piece and put the rest away, a sort of traveling tomato, so you can have a snack that lasts and lasts without going mushy in whatever your carrying receptacle is. I grew them for the first time this year, and I also read a book called Epic Tomatoes that describes them as a novelty, but the taste is not much to write home about. So I thought I'd come out and find my first really quite ripe one here. This one needs to do a little bit extra ripening on my kitchen counter for a bit, and do a live taste test, see what I actually think of it. So let's go in and get it. Just get the stem right here. So look at this. It looks like I can just pull off one little piece. So let's see if I can. Yep. It pulls away from the rest of the tomato and I mean, homegrown tomatoes are homegrown tomatoes. They always taste really good. It's not that sweet compared to other homegrown tomatoes, which are all very sweet. Got, a moderate amount of acid. I don't know, it's gonna make a really good sauce, I think. I agree, some people would probably have others that they prefer the taste to a little bit more, myself included, and it's not so easy for slicing, which is one of my preferred ways to eat tomatoes. At least I think it's not good for slicing. Looking at it, I can't imagine. But I'm probably going to grow this again because this is just such a neat little novelty. I can't wait to see how my kids react. However your garden grows, keep growing as a gardener. Yeah, pop the whole thing in. What do you think?